Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and I just want to say, can y'all see the braids is finally out? Yes! And we just want to say thank you to Cecred because this detangling spray did exactly what it needs to do. Now, I may have lost a little bit of hair, but that little bit of hair compared to how much I would have lost taking my hair out with a regular conditioner probably would have been worse. But at the same time, my head feels good, and I want to show y'all how I did it. So keep watching and hit that subscribe button. Listen, Beyonce, we got a problem. Y'all see this video right here? Yes, okay. When I got my box, it was open, okay? So crack, Cecred is the new crack, y'all, on the street. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to take out these braids. I've had these braids in for about 2.5 months, almost 3 months, y'all. And I was just like, you know what, it's time to take my hair out. But I did not want to take my hair out unless I had their stuff, okay? Gold, okay? Anyway, so what I went and did, I finally went ahead and bought full-size products of Cecred, and to take my braids out, we are using the Detangling Spray. Now, I really already like the spray, and if y'all want to see, I've started to take out sections of my hair so far. We kind of blowing through it because my hair is not that long, so really just cutting it where it needs to be cut. But overall, this is the detangling spray. It has a nozzle so you can get right up on top on the braids. Basically, this is going to add moisture and slip for improved manageability. I like the smell of it. It definitely has different ingredients in it. I mean, for the most part, I see rosemary because that's what I smell, some rosemary. Some golden seal, okay, leaf oil, tea tree. I smell the tea tree. But overall, I have turned over a new leaf when it comes to washing my hair, and I will be washing my hair with Cecred products. But this video is about the detangling spray by Cecred, Beyonce, to be exact, Beyonce. And we're gonna go ahead and take these braids out. So for starters, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my hair to the length of my desire. You know, did it grow 5 inches, 10? I don't know. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it. I get really scared when cutting my hair because I think I just cut a piece earlier that was my hair. And then I am going to get a rat tooth comb. Now, you can use the Beyonce comb. I did not go ahead and buy all the Beyonce products, but I did buy 6 of them, okay? But we're going to start with this, and then we're just going to go ahead and start combing it out. Now, for some, I think, like, you could just go ahead and start combing it out. Now, I personally would not want to use the product on the weave portion of my hair, but granted, my hair is braided in, so it would be helpful as far as like less breakage coming from my hair. So I'm just going ahead and I'm doing that like so, and this is just for the braids. If you notice, I like to use my fingers when I take out my braids. Honestly, for me, I have little fingers, so I think it's easy to take out my braids. Some people can do it really fast, but I really prefer to take my time. It's not as long as I thought it was. But so basically, when you get to the top where you have to take out your knot or you see your dust ball, you're going to take your spray and you're going to spray it right in there, and you're gonna start to move it and rub it together like so, and you're just gonna really penetrate the strands with the product and moving it and separating it before you start to comb your hair, okay? So pretty much it is now separated, and you will take your comb and you will just gently combing through. Now, ideally, you are going to get some dead hair. Hopefully, listen, I know I'm going to have a lot coming out, but for the most part, like, it feels good when I take my hair out. And the fact that I'm fighting through the dust just makes it harder and me more worried when I take my hair out. But honestly, this feels good. It is giving my hair more of a moisture while I am taking my hair out. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this, and hopefully you all will see what my hair looks like at the end. keep watching. Okay, so when I say saturate your hair, I mean saturate it. As you can see, the product is white and it's easy for me to comb through my hair. I do at least a few strokes with the comb, but I'm also making sure I'm using my fingers to make sure that the product is distributed on every strand of my hair. I really think this product has helped me take out my braids with ease. I feel like it's nice and smooth. And again, there's a hydration to this product that I really enjoy, and I definitely recommend it. All right, y'all, so my hair is finally out. It only took me about 3 hours. And honestly, it didn't feel like 3 hours because I was watching shows, more like 2.5 hours. But my hair is out. It does feel nice and moisturized. It does not feel dry. I would say overall, this is a really good spray to use because it's going to give you the nutrients and that moisture that you need prior to washing your hair and really just while you're taking your hair out. Now, I would say for those who may not want to spend so much on this spray, you could just use your own concoction of conditioner, but at the same time, you're not going to get the benefits of what this spray is. Now, I just love Cecred because it's like lab created and it's for the best of the best, and not for nothing, Beyonce got a good coin, so I would not imagine that she would make something that's not good for our hair. And if you want, you can get this detangler at Ulta for $28 or on their website for $28 as well. Now, not for nothing, click the link in my bio as well if you're interested in using it. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.